Hey everyone, welcome to Christina Cakes It. I'm Christina and today I'm sharing with you the best ever Rice Krispie Treat recipe. So I don't know what it is about Rice Krispie Treats, but everybody universally just loves them. So like for example, I will make these very elaborate desserts for people and then I might throw in some Rice Krispie Treats on the side just like as a filler. And the feedback that I always get is that the Rice Krispie Treats are so good. And since people love them so much, I thought it would be a great idea to share my recipe with YouTube. The recipe that I use is actually different than the recipe that's on the back of the box, like the classic recipe. So the key is the butter to Rice Krispie ratio has to be perfect. And what I have found is a little bit more butter actually makes a better Rice Krispie treat. So this recipe is so easy to make and it only takes 4 ingredients. And what I'm using today, the perfect ratio, is 6 tablespoons of salted butter, 16 ounces of marshmallows, so it's like the big bag. And it's actually better if you can find the smaller miniature marshmallows, but my grocery store just didn't have any. We have 8 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, and then I always add M&Ms to my Rice Krispie Treats. They make a world of difference, and it's about 2 cups, but I'm just using the sharing size bag. So to get started, I'm just gonna melt my butter over low heat. So after my butter has melted, I'm gonna add in all my marshmallows and melt these down as well. And I like to stir this as the marshmallows are melting, just because it helps so they don't stick to the sides of the pan. So after my marshmallows are completely melted into my butter, I'm going to remove from the heat and I'm gonna add in my 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. So before I add the M&Ms, I'm actually gonna let this sit for like 2 or 3 minutes to cool just a tiny bit, because if I add them right now and I mix, the M&Ms are prone to crack and melt. So while this is cooling down, I have prepared my 9x13 pan. I have lightly sprayed this with just a little bit of cooking oil to help these not be so sticky in the pan. So the last thing to do is gently mix in these M&Ms. I'm just going to spread these into my pan. And a little trick that has helped me, so if you just spray a little bit of cooking oil on your hands, you can just press this in and it won't stick to your hands. So that's it. So our Rice Krispies just need to set. So these will sit for a couple hours before cutting. And there you have the best Rice Krispie Treats you will ever have in your whole life. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to give this episode a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.